Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to open a file in Adobe Photoshop. Let us start. Go to the File tab. On the top, click on it. A drop down will open. Then there is a second option, Open. Click on it. A dialog box will open. From here, you have to go to the folder where the picture lies. My picture is there in this PC. Then I will go to the E drive, then New Aspire, and then Adobe Photoshop. And here my folder is there, images. I will click on it. All the images are reflected. From here, the image that I want to open, I have to select. Suppose I want to open image 5. Click on it. Now it is selected. Now after that, click on open. The image file will be opened in Adobe Photoshop. Hope you like this video. If liked, please share with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.